Hi guys, welcome in today's OpenAgentsBuilder video, and I'm pretty excited to present you a new feature, which is evaluation framework, in which you can generate, edit, add, and run all sort of AI evals. Why evals are so important in the AI agents development? Because they ensure you that the agent works exactly the way you want it. It's kind of like a unit test in development. So you create sort of all use cases or possible outcomes user should see, or the tools should be executed, or questions should be asked, and then run this test against your agent. Which is very useful in case of further development. So you make sure that after each changes, all the tests are ending up in green, and the agent works exactly as you wished. So I will show you how to create a set of evals and run them. To do so, you need a free account you can create on OpenAgentsBuilder.com. It takes like 3 minutes, so don't hesitate and create it now. Then you log in. I'm already logged in. So we create a new agent. We can choose any template we wish. For this example, let me show how it works, maybe on this Bella Styles hairdresser booking. So I create new agent. The agent is already generated, so we can test if it works. I need to give it my name, email. Okay, so it works very well. I can ask about free slots for tomorrow. It calls the tool, showing the availability from the calendar. The calendar is empty, so almost every slot is available right now. Okay, here you can see the new tab, which is evals, and here you can define or automatically generate the test cases for your agent. Generating test cases is cool because it takes the AI prompt into consideration and tries to synthetically generate all use cases regarding this prompt, all variations, the questions user can ask, and the agent should generate back. So let me click this. It's generating using AI, so it takes like a few good seconds to actually output the test cases. And I already have it. So you can see that each test case has expected result. So the first case it generated is like, I would like to book a haircut. Assistant probably should ask me when. Then I'm providing it with the desired date. It's checking the availability and ending up booking this time slot. Then you see that it generated another test case for coloring session. Why it's different? Because it's required for 90 minutes. So it took it from the prompt that haircut and coloring are longer sessions. So it will test if the 90-second sessions has been successfully booked or not. Okay. I can save those evals within my agent. But also I can export the test cases to JSON file and then import it back. So if you have set of similar agents doing more or less the same thing, you can just export and import the JSONs to each one of them. Okay, let me show you how it runs. So we have this play button, so we can run one case one by one, or we can run all test cases at once. Let me click this. TX RX means the conversation, so it simulates the conversation, like sending the user messages and checking the messages the agent responds back. And you can see this task completed. So the haircut has been successfully scheduled. We can also see the conversation. So first the Evals engine asked this question, the assistant responded, we asked next question, the assistant responded and also called the tool, first for checking the availability, then booking the event and saving the result. Well, it's pretty cool. Probably when I run this case another time, it's gonna fail because this slot is already booked. Let me check if it's if it really do. So running again. And it really failed because there was already slot booked for this time, which is actually good. The other things you can do with the Evals is you can also call them via API. So you can check it in the docs, docs.openagentsbuilder.com. And also by the API, you can deal with the outcomes from the test. So for example, when we have a calendar event booked, we could delete it via API calls, so the test to pass again when called again. We also could create a test in which we don't actually book anything, so we just ask the things and stop it just before making any persistent changes. So this is also a way to have those tests be green all the time. Yeah, I think it's pretty exciting feature, and it has definitely changed the way you build the agents, because the Evals is so important part of the AI coherence for making it repeatable outcomes and making it sustainable in the long run. Happy coding with OpenAgentsBuilder. Bye bye.